Hello. Have you ever wondered why, when you jump up, you always come back down? Or why, if you drop your pencil, the pencil falls to the floor and not up to the ceiling? That's all because of something called gravity. Gravity is an invisible force, like a friendly giant, that's always pulling things towards each other. Earth's gravity is what pulls you down and keeps your feet on the ground. It's why we don't float away into space. Everything that has stuff in it, which scientists call mass, has gravity. The more stuff something has, the stronger its gravity. Earth is like a giant ball of stuff, so it has lots of gravity. That's why it pulls on you and everything around you. But it's not just Earth that has gravity. The sun has gravity too, and it's much stronger than Earth because the sun is way bigger. The sun's gravity is what keeps all the planets, including our Earth, orbiting around it, like they're attached to an invisible string. But since we are closer to Earth, even though the sun has more gravity, we are more strongly attracted to Earth. This is because distance between the objects also impacts the force of gravity. Even you have gravity. You're pulling on the Earth, and the Earth is pulling on you. But because the Earth is so much bigger than you, you don't really feel your pull on it. It's like a tiny tug of war where the Earth always wins. Gravity is what makes a ball fall to the ground, keeps the ocean's water in place, and even forms stars and planets. It's a fundamental force that shapes our entire universe. Gravity is what keeps us grounded and makes life as we know it possible. Thank you for watching.